Hello friends, today I want to do another unboxing of Aqua Australia boots that I have got on 6 p.m. site. It was some kind of sale and I've got a new model that I didn't have in past. I always was buying like Aqua Australia Classic, and this time I bought Aqua Australia Bailey bow, and this color is something like aqua. It's called aqua. So they came in some plastic wrap and in the box like this, looking like this. So box is normal, and I've got woman Bailey bow 2, which is second version, which is waterproofed or water resistant, and I've got them in size 9 this time because I read reviews that they are true to size. So let's open them. So we have some textures, paper, Aqua Australia paper, wow, so nice. So here we are. This is but the right one. It comes with this stuff inside and it looks like this on back. It has new tag. As you can see, it has this Aqua tag, which is made from leather. It has cute 2 bows. They are, you cannot untie them. They are like sew together with this tongue here, so they will not go untie. This model looks like this. Here it's nice thick wool inside, and it's more like not this wool isn't like, oh, it's a little bit coming off. I hope it's not much, and it's matte finish, not like shiny, and it also has this stuff inside, and I really like this color. I think it will match my winter jacket that I have from Marmot. And so looks like this. So new Aqua sole has this design, and sticker says it's real fur from lamb. Fur has been artificially dyed and treated. Fur origin Australia, product made in Vietnam. So yeah, this is not in China but in Vietnam. And the tag looks like this inside, and another one came with this wrap, and it also come with this. Oh no, it was like this. Hope it will be easy to, because it's already like this. It has nice 2 bows, and this side. really nice. Let's take that stuff out of it, like this. And the tag inside looks like this. In left one, it has sun and it has those iridescent suns. Inside it's nice and fluffy. I try them. Yeah, they fit fine. They fit fine. Wait, guys. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like such videos, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. The next one will be also a unboxing, so keep subscribing or keep watching. See you in the next one. Bye.